The Pixel 4 and 4 XL come with Google's latest Android 10 pre-installed, but not just that, they have a whole host of exclusive features you simply won't get elsewhere. So with that in mind, we want to share a few of our favourite tips and tricks to get the most from your Pixel 4. It's also worth noting that some of you may know these already, and there are a few that do work on older Pixel phones, but with that out of the way, let's get into it. Thanks for watching 9to5Google on YouTube. Be sure to thumbs up, hit subscribe, and then enable notifications with the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Let's start with all the display tweaks and updates. First, that 90Hz refresh rate display is gorgeous, but as you may know, you will need to enable Force Refresh Rate. With developer options enabled, head to Settings, Developer Options, Force 90Hz refresh rate and toggle that on, and now you'll have 90Hz all throughout the Android UI. The new Ambient EQ settings are designed to adjust the display contrast, colour and tone to suit your device surroundings, which should help prevent eye strain when using your phone in different lighting conditions. To enable Ambient EQ, head to Settings, Display, Ambient EQ and now toggle that on. Screen attention comes as part of the new Face Unlock feature and keeps your Pixel 4 display on when it detects you're looking at it, therefore stopping your phone from going to sleep. To enable, head to Settings, Display, Screen attention and toggle that on. Another neat new inclusion that comes as part of the new Motion Sense and Solid Red Eye chip, Reach to Check senses your hand movements and then turns on the ambient display and preps the phone before picking it up, meaning that unlocks are faster than ever before. To enable, head to Settings, System, Motion Sense, toggle on, and now you have the option to Reach to Check. Toggle that on and your phone will be aware of your hand movements before you go to pick up your phone. The camera on the Pixel 4 and 4 XL is as good as it's ever been, but it includes a whole host of new additions thanks to that added hardware and a revamped Google Camera app. You can now hold the shutter button on Google Camera and it will record a very short video which includes the new Top Shot for video. It is low res at 768 by 1024 pixels, but you can export a still HDR image at 3MB if you do want a still from that particular clip. As the Pixel 4 has a new telephoto zoom lens, you can use the old pinch to zoom, or alternatively double tap the viewfinder to quickly enter 2x zoom, and then you can use the scrubber bar to zoom in or out up to 8x. To enable the new dual exposure mode on Pixel 4, all you need to do is a single tap in the viewfinder and the controls will appear within the viewfinder for you to tweak and control. Another neat and almost hidden inclusion you might not notice is the new social sharing feature within the camera app. When you take a picture, you can quickly share from the mini preview window by swiping up and selecting an app. You can also add any apps that you want to quick share to for ease of use. It's also worth noting that Google Lens features have been added to the camera app with the ability to scan and copy text, translate text and even scan documents. You will get a little pop-up to prompt you and the results are overall pretty impressive. Part of the new Android 10 update, live captions add captions to any video anywhere on your device and you can enable them in two ways. The easiest is tapping the volume up or down and just tapping the little caption logo. Alternatively, you can head to Settings, Live Captions and then toggle that on. You can even hide profanities too from these live captions by heading into Settings, Live Captions, toggle Hide Profanities, which is great if you're watching videos in public or do have small children who want to use your phone. You're also able to add sound labels for even better video context just by toggling Show Sound Labels too. Included as part of Android 10, you might not know that you can now link your favourite gamepads directly to your phone. You can link the Xbox One pad, PS4 pad and even the Nintendo Switch Pro controller. To do so, just head to Settings, Connected Devices, Pair New Device and now find your gamepad to quickly connect. It's worth noting that not all games work with the gamepad, but it should enhance your gaming sessions massively. Our final tip is not new, but one that many of you might not already know. To quickly enter vibrate mode, you can press the volume up and power button. Even better still, you don't need to turn the display on to use this neat little trick to set your phone to silent. That is by no means the most comprehensive list of features, and some do spill over to older Pixel models, including the Pixel 3 and 3a. Some will even drip feed down even further over the coming months. Be sure to let us know your own favourite tips and tricks down in the comment section below. But as always, this is Damien with 9to5Google saying thanks for watching and I will speak to you later.